Hi, I'm Mike Markton with MFI, and we are looking at our brand new HZ-6 that we just introduced. It's comparable to our HZ-12, just slightly smaller, a little bit smaller footprint. You're basically 2 feet wide by 3 feet deep. And we've moved our electrical enclosure to the front, obviously reduced a fair amount of size to that. Some of the general features are control panel, cycle start and stop, emergency shut off, and then we've got our 2 jog buttons on either side so you keep your hands free from the turret itself. Also have our smaller, brand new half-size barrels for the HZ-12. So you can see how small they are in comparison to the existing barrels that we've had before. Obviously much easier to handle and easier to work with. We also have our toolless lockdown bar here for being able to put the barrels in and put the lock that down with tool-free operation, obviously. Also, get a little better view here. We removed 2 of the cradles to make it much more economical price-wise and easier to use for R&D labs, small jewelry shops, dental labs, customers like that. We've also gotten a little smaller casters on this that we can set in place, and obviously set those, there's a foot pad underneath there so you can make that much easier to set and make it solid. We also have a new style lid on here, which is more of just a single hatch style with the gas shocks, and then latch that down. So this particular model, obviously we have the plexiglass on it for trade shows and makes it much easier to see what's going on inside. And kind of give it an idea, we can hit start on this and get that rolling, but it gives you a little bit of a visual of what's going on inside with our trade show operation. You can shut that down and go through a quick sequence here on, you hear it unlatch. As we go through this, you can see the RPM. First sequence on that, you just hit this arrow here and you can reduce your minute, and again basically you can close that up and get the machine going from there. So obviously you can see the speed reduced quite a bit. If you are interested in seeing what your samples will look like in our machines, please reach out to us at sales@massfin.com or our website www.massfin.com. Otherwise you can give us a call at 320-543-3222.